We begin with some breaking news coming in top of the hour. The BCCI is working towards conducting the Indian Premier League in empty stadiums. In a letter to all state associations, BCCI has said that it is now working on the possible options to ensure that they are able to stage the IPL this year, even if it means playing the tournament in empty stadiums. The cricket governing body also said it is developing standard operating procedures for state associations for resumption of cricket matches. Well, this is an important development. We are also getting to know that Sourav Ganguly has written an email to state associations mulling over all the possible options. The BCCI president very keen to hold the IPL this year, but Karishma Singh is tracking all the important details on this. Karishma, for a big decision of this nature where we are talking about a major event to the extent of IPL being held this year, give us what are the options being considered, because this kind of a decision, of course, will have to be taken in coordination with Health Ministry and Sports Ministry. It affects a lot of people, especially when it comes to opening out stadiums.
Well, yes, absolutely. And the BCCI has said that it will ensure, expert guidance from all the possible stakeholders, from all the parties involved, especially the government of India, before taking any formal decision on this entire matter. But this email that Sourav Ganguly has written to all the state associations is basically to instill confidence that there will be an IPL this year, and even if it means that it will be held in empty stadiums without fans, without spectators, the BCCI is ready for that option to conduct the IPL. Sourav Ganguly goes on to say that it's not just the Indian players, but foreign players also who have shown keenness to play in the IPL. So Sourav Ganguly making sure that the state associations know that the IPL in all likelihood will happen this year. And what's important to note here is that, this email was written by Sourav Ganguly after the ICC meeting yesterday was inconclusive on the T20 World Cup, decision whether it will happen on schedule or not. So October window is the only time that possibly an IPL can happen. And Sourav Ganguly writing to state associations without mentioning the timeline that IPL will happen, even if it means without fans, without spectators, IPL will take place this year in India.
Okay, so there is a very strong possibility that IPL will be held. Karishma is telling us October is the time that is being considered. But let's not forget, Karishma, that this is again a delicate balance of things. On one hand, the safety of the players also is paramount, especially if we are looking at a multinational event and if we are looking at players coming from outside. On the other hand, of course, like you said, the fans, the franchisees, the other stakeholders, everyone is keen that this kind of an event should not be cancelled. Will the BCCI be able to manage this delicate balance, and what is their plan for that?
Well, the BCCI is developing standard operating procedures for state associations to resume cricketing activities, cricketing operations, and it is not like the first tournament that happens will be the IPL. BCCI obviously is going to take it in a phased manner, starting at state association levels with regular practice. We've spoken about an isolation camp for all the cricketers, creating a kind of bio bubble in one location in India where the players will be kept for their training, because remember, all the players have been away from cricket for close to 3 months now. So it is very important that they slowly and steadily get back to training. Cricketing activities resume in state associations, and the SOP, the standard operating procedures that the BCCI is in the process of formalizing with the help of medical experts, will be given to state associations, and they will have to follow those guidelines. But yes, IPL will happen only after clearances are from the government of India, including the Health Ministry.
All right, Karishma Singh reporting on the possibilities around holding IPL this year. Thanks very much for joining us.